Why does my laptop battery drain so fast?
Laptop batteries drain quickly due to several factors, like high screen brightness, background apps, and outdated software. Even resource-heavy programs, like games or video editing tools, can speed up battery drain. Aging batteries naturally lose capacity over time. Identifying your top battery drains is key to fixing the problem.
How can I make my battery last longer?
To extend your battery life, start by lowering your screen brightness and closing unused apps. Enable battery saver or power saving mode. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and keyboard backlights if you don't need them. Keeping your laptop updated and unplugging external devices when not in use can also help.
Are there quick fixes for a sudden battery drop?
If your battery percentage drops rapidly, restart your laptop to close hidden processes. Check for software updates or malware, as these can cause sudden drain. Sometimes recalibrating your battery by letting it fully discharge and then charging it can fix display issues with battery capacity.
When should I replace my battery?
If you notice your battery loses charge rapidly, won't hold power for long, or your laptop shuts off unexpectedly, it may be time to replace the battery. Most laptop batteries last 2 to 4 years depending on use. Check your laptop's battery health report for more detailed information.
What maintenance tips help prevent battery issues?
Regularly clean your laptop vents to prevent overheating, which shortens battery life. Don't keep your battery at 100% all the time. If possible, aim for 20 to 80% charge. Store your device in a cool, dry place. These simple habits can help maintain battery health for the long run.